This is Joel with Dryfast, and so we're checking this house, and we're gonna provide estimate for exterior waterproofing, stucco repair, and painting. Let's take a look around the house. It's a two-story house with wood siding on the second floor, and then we have a stucco on the first. Have a few cracks here along the trims. It have to be waterproofed. Make sure house is ready for the winter and for the expecting El Nino that everyone is talking about here in California. And it continues here. And this is the house. This area we have some dry rot, which tells me water settles down there. Then paint it's peeling off, probably dry rot there. And that's just another project, and we're getting those houses ready for the winter. If you need service, give us a call. Dryfast Property Restoration of San Francisco, San Carlos, and Santa Rosa. Thank you.